Hey, coming at you with a housing market update for the middle of the month of June. A lot going on. I have a special guest with me today. Can you say hi, Lightning McQueen?
Hi, Lightning McQueen.
No, say what's your name? What's your name, mister?
Ka-chow.
Touchdown Towns or your Ka-chow?
Ka-chow.
Ka-chow. All right, I'm here with Towns, my grandson. I'm visiting. I got another one on the way.
Grandpa,
What?
I would.
I know, it's because it's recording us. And we're going to talk about the market. Do you want to talk about the market?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. He's just a tip off the old block. What we got going on, this is a big week. It could be a big week because we are closer to a deal to have peace in Iran and have the Strait of Hormuz open. Probably the closest we've been in quite some time. And guess what's happening this week? The Fed is meeting. And the Fed is now under the charge of Fed Chair Warsh. And while there is no expectation that they will raise rates, they could leave them, they will most likely leave them the same. But what we're really interested is, what is Fed Chair Warsh going to say after the meeting? And there's some other news coming out this week. Monday, and it's a short week too. We got a couple industrial reports coming out. And then Tuesday, we have the Bank of Japan. The Bank of Japan, way over there, they're going to make their Fed rate decision. We have housing starts, we have building permits, we have the ADP weekly estimate. Wednesday is the big day, though. Wednesday, we got retail sales. Are consumers like me and you spending money like we just robbed a bank still? Do we got pending home sales? We got pending home sales. And also, in addition to the rate decision, we do not think they're going to raise rates again. But they're also going to do their economic projections, and this is what's going to move the market. Do they think they're going to raise rates this year, or do they still think that they will lower the Fed funds rate just a little bit this year? So that'll be a really interesting meeting, especially if we have peace, right? You want some peace?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want a piece of pizza? Yeah, we just had pizza.
Yeah.
All right, and then Thursday we have a Bank of England, and then the Swiss National Bank Index. We have initial and continuing jobless claims. So are we going to have more than we did last week? Are we going to get over 2 million in continuing claims? I don't know. We're not really there yet. And then Friday's a vacation day. It is Juneteenth, so ain't nothing open on Friday. Now let's take a look at rates. Conventional rates as we start the week between 6.5 and 7%, depending on who you're looking with. And VR, we are still below 6.2, right around 6.6, 6.16. If we get a peace deal, maybe we get closer to 6%, but we will see. Again, talk is cheap. We've heard this, we've heard it all before, but I am the eternal optimist. Are you an optimist? Yes, you are. And we think that rates are going to come down this week, maybe closer to 6% for VA. That's all we got. You have a great weekend. And what do you say? What does Lightning McQueen say?
Ka-chow.
Ka-chow.